A tiny creature clinging to the U.S. coastline might hold the secret to immortality. It shrugs off aging, regrows lost parts, and scientists say humans may one day borrow its tricks. Native to the eastern U.S. coast and even Britain's shores, the starlet sea anemone looks humble. But unlike us, it can regenerate entire body parts and keep renewing itself indefinitely. Scientists now call it functionally immortal. And it isn't alone. Its relatives include jellyfish species that can literally reset their life cycle. Here's the kicker. The starlet anemone can reproduce both sexually and asexually, making it a dream lab model. Easy to grow, endlessly regenerating. It's like evolution handed scientists a cheat sheet for studying anti-aging. In humans, stem cells help heal wounds and sometimes rebuild tissue. But in this anemone, they seem limitless. Using single-cell genomics, researchers identified multipotent stem cells capable of becoming neurons, glands, or more, over and over again. That's how it regenerates forever. These aren't new inventions. The genes controlling this, nanos and peewee, are 600 million years old. They regulate how stem cells divide and how eggs and sperm are made. That means the machinery for biological immortality is older than dinosaurs, older than complex plants, woven into the roots of animal life. To prove it, scientists used CRISPR to disable one of those genes, nanos 2. The result? The anemone lost its regenerative powers. Like flipping a switch, immortality vanished. That's hard evidence these genes are the key. Humans have stem cells too, but they burn out with age. If we could borrow lessons from this sea creature, maybe even tweak our own nanos and peewee pathways, we might slow aging, extend health spans, or regenerate damaged organs. Now, let's not get carried away. Translating sea anemone biology to humans is like teaching a bicycle to act like a spaceship. Different systems, different complexities, and messing with immortal stem cells, that's a recipe for cancer if we're not careful. Still, it's a glimpse into what biology might someday unlock. If an animal this simple cracked the code of endless youth hundreds of millions of years ago, maybe aging isn't as inevitable as we think. Maybe it's just a puzzle waiting for us to solve. So, what would you do with an extra 100 healthy years? Travel the stars, write 1,000 books, or just sleep in more often? Tell us in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of life, death, and maybe immortality.